Hello everybody, my name is Nate Lex and welcome back to XDex. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial over a basic move called the revolution cut. It looks a little something like this. The revolution cut is a basic beginner move that is done in one hand and has a rotating packet. It's pretty easy to do if you've learned the Charlier cut. There's a specific motion. I'm not exactly sure where it stems from, but it is one of the basic beginner moves to cardistry and inspired some of the art form that has been created. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial for the revolution cut. All right, everybody, let's get right into the revolution cut. It looks like this. You guys probably already saw that in the little video. And this should be a short, simple tutorial, so I hope you guys are excited to learn it. I think I can almost do this in both hands. Obviously, you can tell my right hand is a lot different from my left. So if you're beginners, it may look a little more something like this, rather than this. So just to let you know. Okay, so let's begin. So you want it in basic dealer's grip, the deck. And you want your index finger at the top, middle finger in the middle and ring on the long sides, pinky at the back. And you're going to do the same as Charlier. So if you guys haven't learned the Charlier cut, we also teach that on this channel. And it's really helpful. Charlier cut looks like this. And it'll get you in the right grip to start the revolution cut. So from here, you drop half a packet with your thumb, or you can start down here, and I usually lift half a packet with my thumb. And then this index finger swings over to this side, so now you have 3 fingers along this side. What happens here is that these other fingers release, so you're just holding the deck with your index and your thumb, and then the rest is resting on your hand in some of the palm area. What happens is you start to rotate that. So your thumb and index finger both move counterclockwise to turn that packet out like so. What happens here is your ring finger moves around to this, kind of near the corner, but kind of on this side, and it will continue the rotation. So the ring finger that's now moved this way is going to also move counterclockwise, and this index finger is going to move down this way, as you can see, slowly like that. Then as you curl your index finger in, this packet can drop, and as you can let this packet right here balance on your thumb, the index finger can curl in even more to let that packet drop into place, and then your index finger can, kind of looks like this, pull out. Let's see if I can do it this way. And it curls underneath and it can pop out like that. So it looks like this from the side. And so we'll do that one more time slowly again, but that's pretty much the Charlier or the revolution cut. So what you do is you lift up half the deck, index and thumb grab the top thin side, top short side, and rotate the packet out like this. The ring finger curls down here and gets on the short side and rotates around like that. This packet balances back out on the thumb, and then you just drop it like that. The way to do some of the subtleties to make it be a good revolution is to kind of cock it back when you come forward. So you push this up, you pull it back a little bit, and then continue the rotation with the ring finger, and you'll start to work slowly on that fluidity of that cut, that one-handed cut. I've also seen people do it like this, where they actually do this. This is kind of a weird thing. I don't do this, but I've seen some people do this. They use their ring finger to do a Charlier cut, and then it's immediately right there to rotate the packet. So your index finger stays, but when you lift this up, you have your ring finger underneath do this, and so then it can just go right into the rotation. I don't like to particularly do that. I kind of like how it flows over like this. You kind of raise it. You actually curl it back a little bit clockwise with the middle and thumb, and then rotate it forward, and it gives you a little momentum to spin it around like that. And that is, guys, the revolution cut. I'll do it one more time just in case, but so you lift up with your thumb, index and thumb grab the short side. These fingers can be removed. Cocks back a little bit clockwise, then moves and shifts forward. The ring finger curls back here underneath this packet and then comes forward. These fingers are both straight up, and then as this finger comes forward, out, it'll rotate. The index finger will grab between these. If you need some adjusting, the middle and pinky can help you guide that packet down, but it's going to lay on top of that curled in index finger. And then the index finger is going to uncurl out underneath, and the thumb can close it, and that is the revolution cut. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this entire video. I am Nate Lex again from XDecks, and I just wanted to do a couple of housekeeping things. One, thank you for watching this tutorial. It really helps us if you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell if you guys can do that. Also, XDecks is a website that resells rare decks of playing cards, so the decks you see in these videos you can also purchase on our website, and they are rare decks of cards, and that is at xdecks.com, x-decks.com. And lastly, I just wanted to encourage you guys that cardistry is a hard art form, so don't be giving up on yourself after the first try if you can't get it. I've done this for almost 8 years and I still drop cards to this day. And I bet you, I haven't even shot the tutorial yet. This is a little BTS because I'm doing the outro before I even shoot the tutorial, but I probably will drop cards in the middle of the tutorial. And if not, I've done it before. Anyway, just wanted to encourage you to keep trying, keep learning, and we'll see you guys next time in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.